Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on auto save to memories story on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, go to Snapchat and tap on your profile. Then here is the options for you, add to my story, and we want to saving our story in our archive or memories for always, and in this way we can save them. So in this line, the add to my story, the right on where it has three buttons, tap on here, and here is the three options for you: add to story, auto save to memories, and story settings. And mine is already on, so just turn on this and your story memories will always save, so you can see anytime in archive. So okay, just tap on here. Okay, that's what I want to show you. Thank you for watching.